Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a Google Pay account step by step in a simple and clear way. So, this tutorial today is how to create a Google Pay account. Google Pay is an online payment app that lets you send and receive money, pay utility bills, recharge your mobile number, and make payments using UPI or QR codes. Before you start, make sure you have a few things ready. You need a Google account, an Indian bank account that supports UPI, and an active Indian mobile number that is registered with your bank account. Your phone number must have outgoing SMS enabled since Google Pay uses SMS for verification. Now, let's start setting up your Google Pay account. First, download the Google Pay app on your phone. Google Pay works on Android version 5.0 or higher and iOS version 10.0 or higher. If the app is already installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Next, open the Google Pay app and enter your active Indian phone number with the +91 country code. This must be the same number linked to your bank account. Tap Next. After that, sign in using your Google email account. Choose an existing Gmail account or add a new one, then tap Next. Now, your mobile number will be verified. You'll receive a one-time password, also known as an OTP, by SMS. Answer the OTP and tap Next to confirm your number. Next, secure your Google Pay account. You'll be asked to set up a screen lock such as a PIN, fingerprint, or pattern depending on your device. This helps protect your account and payments. Once that's done, it's time to link your bank account. Google Pay will automatically show a list of supported banks. Select your bank from the list. Google Pay will then verify your bank account using your registered mobile number. Make sure SMS services are active during this step. After verification, you'll be asked to create a UPI PIN using your debit card details. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your PIN. Once your UPI PIN is set, your bank account will be linked and your Google Pay account will be ready to use. And that's it. You can now send and receive money, scan QR codes, pay bills, and recharge your mobile number using Google Pay. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Pay and Android tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.